North Korea is a fortress of secrets. Clear footage is hard to find, so excuse the quality, but the intel is real. Today, we decode their most powerful hidden weapons. Let's get started. First up is the M2020 Tank. It looks like a modern Western tank with advanced armor and missile tubes. While its internal tech remains a mystery, its design shows a massive leap in North Korean engineering. Next, we have the Hwasong-18. This is their most terrifying weapon, a solid-fuel ICBM. Unlike older missiles, it can be launched almost instantly, making it a major breakthrough in their rocket technology. Moving to drones, the Saebyol 9 is a striking clone of the American Reaper. It carries heavy missiles and proves that North Korea is now entering the age of advanced unmanned warfare. Next is the KN-25, one of the world's largest multiple rocket launchers. With its massive 600mm rockets, it can strike targets with pinpoint accuracy from hundreds of miles away. Then we have the Saebyol 4, a high-altitude surveillance drone. This massive aircraft is a clone of the American Global Hawk, designed to stay in the air for hours to monitor enemy movements. Moving to the sea, the Sinpo-C is North Korea's largest ballistic missile submarine. It's a hidden threat beneath the waves, capable of launching powerful missiles while staying undetected. Finally, look at the Koksan M1989. This long-range self-propelled gun can hit targets across borders. Its simple but effective mechanical design makes it a reliable weapon in their artillery fleet.